Okay, let's find the vertex, axis of symmetry, and max or min of this function, h of x equals 1/2 x squared plus 4x plus 19 thirds. Well, I'm going to use the vertex formula for this. And the vertex formula says that the first coordinate of the vertex is equal to negative b over 2a. I usually call the first coordinate of the vertex h, but this function is named lowercase h, so I'll use uppercase h. So h, the vertex formula, is negative b over 2a. Okay, so b is 4, so negative 4 over a is a half, so 2 times a half, which is just negative 4 over 1. So h is negative 4. To get k, the second coordinate of the vertex, just plug in negative 4. In for x. So if you do that, you get 1/2 times negative 4 squared plus 4 times negative 4 plus 19 thirds. And that's not as bad as it looks. Because negative 4 squared is 16 times a half is 8. Plus 4 times negative 4, that's minus 16 plus 19 thirds. So that's negative 8 plus 19 thirds. Or if you get 8, that should be negative 8. If you get negative 8 in terms of the common denominator of 3, just multiply by 3 over 3 and get negative 24 thirds plus 19 thirds, which is equal to negative 5 thirds. So the vertex is negative 4, negative 5 thirds. The axis of symmetry is always x equals the first coordinate of the vertex. So x equals negative 4 is your axis of symmetry. And then I know because a equals 1/2, well, that means a is positive, that this parabola opens up, which means it has a minimum associated with it. And the minimum is always, or the maximum, it's always going to be the second coordinate of the vertex. So there's a minimum of negative 5 thirds associated with this parabola. So there's the vertex. There's the axis of symmetry, and the minimum is negative 5 thirds.